This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Settings on the device where your Apple ID is signed in. This is faster than using a browser. Once inside, tap your name, then open name, phone numbers, email. Make sure the new number can receive SMS. Apple will text a verification code. If your device prompts, enter the passcode to unlock Apple ID edits. This step changes the reachable contact for iCloud and verification, so do it from a trusted, secure device to avoid lockouts. Now add the new number under Reachable at, tap Edit, choose Add Phone Number, and type it exactly with country code. Once you submit, Apple sends a verification code. Enter that code immediately because it expires. After verification, go to Password and Security and ensure the new number appears as a trusted phone number for two-factor authentication. If it doesn't, add it there too. Doing both steps ensures iCloud notifications, Find My Alerts, and security codes go to the right place. Complete the process by signing out of iCloud on other devices, then sign back in so the new number syncs everywhere. Make sure messages and FaceTime show the correct caller ID. If the verification SMS never arrives, check carrier service, correct country code, and device date/time. Try resending the code or use a trusted device to approve sign-in. If you're still blocked, reset network settings temporarily or contact Apple ID support. This preserves access without changing account credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.